Hey everybody, I've been out metal detecting a lot over the years and have come up with a little bit of a dilemma. My Garrett digger, as I put it in and take it out of the scabbard, the serrated edge seems to cut the side of the scabbard. Now this was a canvas scabbard to begin with, and I have taped it up a couple of times with electrical tape and with black duct tape, and it's just not working. So I've got another idea, and I thought I'd share it with you today. First things first, I want to take the tape off of it that I put on there. And there's a lot of tape. It's about like skinning a squirrel. Got it down to the original Garrett, or whatever's left of it. Next, I'm going to cut a piece of an aluminum can. I'm going to try to reinforce this around the top where the digger goes in with aluminum, and see if maybe that doesn't last a little bit longer. I'm just going to cut around the aluminum can, cut the top and the bottom off of it. And I can split it from the top to the bottom to do this because of the way I'm going to wrap it around there. What I've got is the middle of the can. I'm just going to fold it over like so. I'm going to bend one side in at 90 degrees. Then I want to put it up to the scabbard, right around the top where I want to be. This is where the digger goes in. And I'm going to fold the other side around, leaving it loose enough that my digger can go in comfortably, like so. And now the hard part, getting it started with the tape. Now I've left my flaps on the back side. I don't know if that's a good idea or not. It just seemed like something to do for me. I'm going to bring this down a 1/4 inch or so from the top of my flap on my scabbard. That way the tape has something to fix to. I don't know if you can see this, but I'm going to bring the tape all the way around. I'm going to overlap the flaps and around again. I'm going to bring the tape around to the back and rip it or cut it. Rip's easy enough. I'm going to put the tape on the inside, squeeze it down to hold it. Then I'm going to lap it out to the outside so that there's no seam line here for my digger to get stuck in as I put it inside. Now I'm going to start wrapping it again, and I'm going to wrap the full body of the scabbard much in the way I had it before, only now it's got an aluminum reinforcement. here we have the final product. It goes in quite easily. And hopefully that dull serrated edge won't cut that aluminum as quickly as it did the tape that was on there before. And I'm ready to go back out and do some metal detecting. Let's go.